Greetings of the day. Welcome to online KG class.
This is Ikra Siddiqui and today again I am here to teach you subject English. So dear kids, today we are going to learn vowels and consonant.
So we will start our class with etiquettes, GK question answers and sight words. So dear kids, we will start with etiquettes. So our etiquette of the week is wash your hands after using toilets. So dear kids, we should always wash our hands after using toilets. This is a very good habit also.
Kids, now we will learn some GK questions and answers.
So our first question is, which is our national tree? Our national tree is banyan tree. Okay, now tell me, which is our national river? Our national river is the Ganga. Now we will learn some sight word. So our sight word is put. Put. Kids, repeat after me. Put. Our next sight word is picture. Picture.
Dear kids, now we are going to revise the phonic sound A to M. So let's start.
Do you know these letter sounds? Do you know these letter sounds? They will help you learn to read. They will help you learn to read. Apple, apple, a, a, a. Apple, apple, a, a, a. Baby, baby, b, b, b. Baby, baby, b, b, b. Cookie, cookie, k, k, k. Cookie, cookie, k, k, k. Dolly, dolly, d, d, d. Dolly, dolly, d, d, d. Elbow, elbow, eh, eh, eh. Elbow, elbow, eh, eh, eh. Flower, flower, f, f, f. Flower, flower, f, f, f. Garden, garden, g, g, g. Garden, garden, g, g, g. Hammer, hammer, ha, ha, ha. Hammer, hammer, ha, ha, ha. Igloo, igloo, I, I, I. Igloo, igloo, I, I, I. Jelly, jelly, j, j, j. Jelly, jelly, j, j, j. Kitten, kitten, k, k, k. Kitten, kitten, k, k, k. Lion, 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 monkey, monkey,
So dear kids, now we will start our main topic. So our main topic is vowels and consonant. Kids, in our last class, I have taught you about vowels and consonant. So can you tell me which letters are called vowels and which letters are called consonant? Look here and now tell me, what are these? You know very well, right? Yes, these are alphabets. Kids, can you tell me how many letters are there in alphabets? There are 26 letters in alphabets. So kids, let's read and count. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. So how many letters are here? Here are 26 letters in alphabets. But there are 5 magic letters in English alphabets. Those are called vowels and rest of letters are called consonant. So kids, let's find out vowels. A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 magic letters which are also known as vowels because without them we cannot make any meaningful word. Kids, these are vowels. These are 5 letters. And these are consonant. These are 21. Kids, can you tell me which letters are called vowels? Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Kids, now speak with me. A, E. Next, what? A, E, I. Yes, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. So kids, now let's revise one more time. What are vowels? Tell me. Yes, A. And A says what? A says A and A for apple. B says B and B for ball. Which is the next vowel? A, E. But I said B. That is not correct. B is a consonant because B is a consonant. So kids, which is the next vowel? A, E. Next, A, E. Yes, I. And I for ice cream. Good. Here are 2 ice creams. Orange ice cream and chocolate ice cream. Kids, chocolate start with the letter C. C is a vowel and consonant. Tell me. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. So C is not there. So C is a consonant. So kids, which is the next vowel? A, E, I and I after? I after O will come. Yes, A, E, I, O. And O for owl. Good. This is a big owl and this is a small owl. Kids, big start with B. Is B a vowel? No, because vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So B is not there. Kids, now which is the next vowel? A, E, I, O and which is the next vowel? Yes, U. And U for umbrella. Good, U for umbrella. Kids, now tell me what is the color of this umbrella? Its color is red, right? And red start with the letter R. Is R vowel? No. R is a consonant. R for red. R is a consonant. So kids, vowels are A, E, I, O, U and rest of letters are called consonant. So dear kids, let's read consonant. So let's start. Speak with me. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. These are consonant. Kids, now let's read vowels. And vowels are A, E, next I, yes, O and U, yes. I hope kids you have learned the concept of vowels and consonant. So dear kids, now let's come on your classwork. So in your classwork you have to write the spelling of A to Z. I hope kids you will do your classwork very beautifully. Now let's come on your homework. So in your homework you have to circle on the consonant. This is your homework. So dear kids, now we will meet in next class. Thank you for watching this class. Thank you so much. Bye bye kids.